Good morning. Perfect Storm Trading here. It is Saturday, May 29th, 2021. Let's review the Astro Excel trend tool and the Vedic trend indication and see how we closed out yesterday. First thing up, I'm going to show you the pH chart. If you recall, we had a bearish window in a bullish period on the Vedic, and we were flatlining on the Astro Excel. So we expected overall an upward choppy bias on the day with the downtrend happening potentially in the 5 to or the 7 to 10 a.m. frame. I'll pull that chart in a minute. But what we've got here, I also mentioned that the end of the morning segment had been indication of the high or low of the day for many days over the past few weeks, and we got that again yesterday. In that bearish Vedic window, we had the downtrend occurred right to the end of the light blue segment here, and that was the low of the day, setting up the best trade of the day right there into that long. Alright, now switching over to the Vedic chart, we had that bearish window in the morning. I'm sorry, it was about 5 o'clock to about 10 o'clock. We had that bearish influence along with the neutral and the bullish. So we did get the down move in that area. And then once we hit the end of that segment, which was right here at 10:30, we got that push up. So we were kind of range bound. So with the bullish implications for the afternoon, we were really only looking for longs, and we did get three. We got the good one at 10:30, and we also got the other two pH trades. I'm going to bring that back to show you those. So the pH chart again, here's the trigger point in the morning off of that low, put us into that nice long trade. We had two more opportunities on the pH afternoon. We caught the end of the first, beginning of that pH segment, middle segment on P2, triggered that long, and then the end of that P2 area, we had a secondary long late in the day at like 3:20ish. So both of those were smaller. The first move was about a 10 pointer, and then these two were lesser. These were only 2 or 3 points. That's all we could get. We could not muster another rally into the close. And then you can see after that fizzled, we just dipped down at the end of the day in the last period. So anyhow, the trend indications and the triggers, very good again. Basically what I put all week held true. I do want to show you the Astro Excel before we close this out.